So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fit a swing arm television wall bracket. To complete this task, you will need a TV bracket of your choice, some nylon frame fixings, a drill with an appropriate masonry drill bit, a hammer, a pencil, expandable foam, impact driver, and a Phillips or a Posi screwdriver. Okay, now this is the bracket I've chosen. It's only a small one, as this is ideal for a typical bedroom TV. Carefully fit the bracket with only 2 screws to the TV, then fold it back to the closed position. Place the TV to the position you require on the wall, then mark the top of the bracket to where you need it to fit to the wall. With this being a small TV, it's quite easy to do this. With bigger TVs, you won't be able to do this. I'll explain how to change the fitting technique to a bigger TV later on in the video. Carefully remove the bracket from the TV and place the bracket on the wall where it's marked and mark where you need to drill. To fix the bracket to the wall, I always use these nylon frame fixings. On the packet, it recommends you to use a 6mm masonry drill, so this is what I plan to use. Carefully drill the holes for the fixings where you've marked them. Also drill 2 more holes just below and just above where the fixings are. Tap the nylon plugs in with your hammer. I've placed a dust sheet under where we're working, as you'll see why shortly. We now need to pump expandable foam into the additional holes I've done. Be careful how much you pump in, as it does expand out quite quickly, and that's why I've got the dust sheet just in case. Okay, here's a little bit of a diagram of the setup of the wall that we're actually fixing to. As you've seen in the last clip, I've drilled a hole there and there, just below and just above where the fixings are. Those are the nylon fixings there and there. The reason I've done that and pumped the expandable foam into that part is where you've got your brick, your plasterboard is dabbed to the wall, and there's roughly around a 10mm gap in between. Now, the plasterboard is not particularly that strong, and when you've got something heavy that's fixed to it, that gap there can kind of, the plasterboard can kind of disintegrate a little bit. So by pumping the expandable foam in there, you're actually strengthening and holding that nylon plug in position as well. So yeah, the expandable foam pumps into there, fills that gap there, and basically strengthens all the fixings. As you can see, I've used the same principle on fitting this swivel bracket on my larger TV that you may find in your lounge. What you will have to do, instead of placing the bracket on the TV and marking it on the wall, what you'll have to do in this case is basically measure where you need to put the bracket by placing it on the back of the TV and doing some calculations with a tape measure. Now we're ready to fix the bracket by screwing the long screws into the nylon plugs using an impact driver. Last job is to fix the TV to the bracket. You may need 2 pair of hands to do this, as I'm struggling on my own. Okay, stop. As we say in the Black Country, that is Boston. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please, subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.